What? Matsubakul Alumino has escaped the reactor? How could this happen? You're useless halfway!
General Kukamilula Kupipu!
Yes, my lord.
Target Matsubakul Alumino! Take the reactor back so I can destroy Planet Bird before this weekend!
Yes, my lord. I won't fail you. I'll find him.
I'll destroy you this time.
We're late! We're late!
Relax! With my super turbo engine, we'll arrive in seconds.
It's all your fault. If it wasn't because you had to take a leak, we wouldn't be late.
Hey, you're the one who took so long putting on makeup. Huh? I'm sorry, dude. Are you okay?
Leave me alone!
Wow, that was an amazing recovery.
Must be some kind of TV prank.
Really? Where's the camera? Where's the camera?
What's going on over there? It sounds serious. I better take a look. Wow, a spaceship! I wonder where it came from. It's definitely capable of withstanding hyperspace junk. It's amazing! Oh, someone is coming out! Welcome to the planet Earth! Do you come in peace?
You miserable low-intelligence creature.
Hey, take it easy! Ah!
Matsubakul Alumino, I'll come for you.
For you!
Hi, Wing. Is dinner ready? Wing? Wing!
Where did he go? Anybody home?
Who are you looking for?
Huh?
Wing, you are freaking me out. Where have you been?
Yeah. Is dinner ready? Shall we eat?
No, we have to find Matsubakul Alumino.
What was that again? Is it something for cleaning windows?
Have you guys seen this?
I saw that tattoo today in the city, but I can't remember on who.
What? What miserable low intelligence you have? You must think properly.
Hey, relax, Wing. I remember. I saw it on a beggar.
Let's go to the city. Come on.
Huh? Oh,
Yeah. What a miserable low-end vehicle. We've been driving for hours. And where's the man with that tattoo?
We'll find him, don't worry.
I need results now.
Hey, Wing, what are you doing?
Hey, there's Chuck and he looks preoccupied. Could be a good time to steal his egg.
But he's with Wing.
Ha! Wing's no threat.
Yeah, you're right, boy.
We got him. Where's the egg? Hey, you miserable low-intelligence creature.
Run, Wing! It's too dangerous!
Get lost before I get mad. Ooh, he's gonna get mad. I'm so scared. Oh. Oh. Shoot! Ow!
Wow, that was incredible, Wing.
Now, let's continue the search.
Wing seems to be acting weird today.
yuck. Maybe I should get some mushroom. Huh. Huh? Wow, what is this? Huh? Oh. Hello? Wing! Wing, I thought you were with Chuck.
Thanks, Flick. It's an alien that's with Chuck.
Why did the alien tie you up in a spaceship? And why is it looking for the tattoo?
I came here looking for their missing weapon. And they want to destroy our planet, Flick.
Chuck's in danger. We're in the middle of the jungle. How are we gonna get Chuck now?
Don't worry, Flick. I've got an idea.
Look, that's the beggar.
Yes, that's him. Going anywhere, Macho Lumino? Hand me the reactor and I'll let you go.
No way! I won't let you guys destroy this beautiful planet!
Huh?
Stop it, Koga! You know we shouldn't do this!
All these low intelligence creatures must be destroyed.
Excuse me, guys. Mind telling me what's going on? Whoa. Huh? Flick! Wing! And Wing?
Chuck! That's an alien impersonating me and wants to destroy our planet! Get that reactor back or we're all doomed!
It's too late. It's mine.
Nothing's too late. Rubber or snake?
What a miserable low-grade power.
Wing, take this!
But what do I do with this?
Run!
Hey, you! Give me back my skateboard!
Whoa!
Hey! Haha! Huh?
Give it to me.
Rhinoceros punch!
Keep this safe, buddy. Aha! I know what to do now. Okay, done.
Enjoy your last night on this planet, you miserable low-intelligence creatures.
Chuck, he's getting away!
Oh no! What are we gonna do now?
It's okay, Chuck. Let him go. Do you fancy bright, shiny stars?
What?
Well done, General Kugamirula Kupipu. You will be well rewarded.
Thank you, my lord.
While forever, planet bird. Huh? What's going on?
Whoa.
Wow!
Whoa! How did you do that, Wing?
Easy. A highly intelligent brain will do.